Hey guys, last week we got into the basics of Google Calendar for musicians, artists, and creative professionals. Today we'll take everything we learned to come up with weekly schedules. I'll use the same guitarist and graphic designer examples from part 1. By now you've got the basics down. If not, please watch part 1 to get familiar with the basics. In this video we'll cover multiple calendars with event and task sharing, organizing schedules with multiple projects and collaborative calendars. Finally, we'll review example calendars for our guitarist and graphic designer. And we'll end with a bonus quick look at the mobile app. To keep this video focused, I decided to do a separate video later on connecting Google Calendar with ClickUp, my favorite project management app. Here we go! Let's start with multiple calendars and event sharing. Extremely important when you're collaborating with other artists, musicians, and creatives. Create a collaboration calendar dedicated to those projects. This way, your collaborators don't see your personal calendar items and vice versa. We click on Settings, Add Calendar, Create New Calendar. I call this Graphic Designer Collaboration. You can add a description or change the time zone if you want to. You can see Google is creating the calendar. I'm also going to make the guitarist collaboration calendar, which we'll see later on. Now you see 2 new calendars have been created for the collaborators, each with their own separate primary color. Just make sure both personal and collaboration calendars are being displayed. Check the boxes here. This helps to see if any items and events are overlapping or conflicting. And you don't have to keep switching views from one calendar to another. I prefer this method when using multiple calendars. Okay, now sharing events with others. Let's create a new event. Here we're going to have a call with our client, Mr. Page, on, let's say, Wednesday at 10 a.m. to 10:30. We'll give this our lavender color for meetings and video calls. Click on Save. In the guest box, we're going to type in Mr. Page's email, so he gets an email with the invitation of this event. For example purposes, I'm using my email here. Yes, this is my real email, so you can contact me here with any questions or comments. And then once you're done with that, just click Save. That person will get an email with all the event and invitation details. Sharing is only available for events. Here you want to click on Say Yes, Send. And now Mr. Page will see this event in his calendar as well. Now let's talk about organizing schedules with multiple projects and collaborators. Before making any schedules, decide on your color scheme and categories. You have 12 categories for the 12 colors, 1 customizable primary and 11 default colors. For this video, we'll use the same categories and colors from part 1. Same guitarist and graphic designer examples. Feel free to try out different schemes. I'll expand the schedules for each of these 2. And now I'll show you some features that I like to use a lot. I love dragging stuff around. Maybe breakfast is going to be different another day. Or what if you want to do finding clients here and creative adventures here? Or maybe we want to do online course tutorials here, then some creative adventures, then maybe move lunch up an hour. Or let's say website management, you want to do this here, move your social event over here. Dragging events around is one of the most helpful features of Google Calendar. Next most important feature, duplicating items. You can click here and click duplicate, or you can go into the full event, click more actions and click duplicate, but it's much easier to just do it from here. Duplicate, and drag it across to the next day or to whichever day that you want to. Now I'm going to create a weekly schedule for the graphic designer and be right back. Here we have an example of our graphic designer's weekly calendar. Breakfast is at 6 a.m. Here I've selected the repeat of daily. I don't have to create 7 events. It's there every day, every week. And on work, I've created weekly on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I added a non-repeat one on Tuesday and Thursday because they're different times, whereas Monday, Friday work times are always the same. Same thing with lunch. Repeat scheduling daily, some admin work right at the end here. Gym again, created weekly on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Personal family time and dinner, weekly on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday, as we have a social event, dinner with friends here. And also dinner and movie with the wife here. So Tuesday, again, we have work, admin work, find new clients, lunchtime, some creative adventures. Then a quick bit of website management. We're not going to the gym. We're going to do some online tutorials and courses. And then we have a school project with the son and family dinner. Wednesday, it's work, admin work, a call with our client, Mr. Page, which I showed you how to add a guest. Then again, gym and exercise, and personal family time and dinner. Thursday, we're going to start off with some online tutorials and courses, then get into some work, lunch, meetings and video calls. And then this here you see is a monthly item, monthly on the first Thursday, monthly bills and expense management. Again, followed by personal and family time and dinner. Now Friday, we got some work. Now we got some meetings and video calls at 10. Lunch again, gym. And here we have a social event, dinner with friends. Saturday and Sunday, we've got creative adventures, videos for the YouTube channel, both on Saturday and Sunday at the same time, followed by lunch. Saturday, we've got a family outing, come back and rest and shower, and then dinner and movie with the wife. Sunday again, creative adventures, YouTube videos, lunch, and then some more online tutorials and courses. A little bit of work to catch up on, to plan our week ahead, then a quick rest and shower, and then finish out with family time and dinner. So now we want to add on Wednesday a collaborative project to the collaboration calendar. So we're going to go here and pick graphic designer collaboration project. We've created 2 slots here for that project. Now we want to stretch this for 3 hours. Now you say this and following events, and you'll see it'll stretch both of them. Now if you uncheck this, you'll just see your collaboration calendar item. Then put the graphic back there, and then you see how it all fits together. Now we have our demo guitarist weekly schedule. Here we've created daily events for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Then we have administrative work on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. All repeat events, recording session work Monday through Friday, with Tuesday and Thursday being at the home studio. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, we have the gym/fitness, and on Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturday, and Sunday, we have music production and mixing work. Monday after the gym, we gotta go home, change and get gear, have dinner, then go to our live show rehearsal. Tuesday after dinner, we have time with family, the girlfriend or wife. And Wednesday evening, we've got some time for creative music adventures. Thursday, we have our monthly bills and expense management reminder, monthly on the first Thursday. And alternately, I've set a repeat schedule of time with the girlfriend, family, or wife on Thursdays. That will be your main event, and then monthly this will show. Again, Friday, we gotta go home, change, get gear, have dinner, go to our live show rehearsal. Saturday and Sunday, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., we're gonna have creative adventures with YouTube, making YouTube videos. Saturday and Sunday, creative adventures, working on music. Quick home workout, 4 p.m. Saturday, we have a social event, dinner with friends. And Sunday, we have time with the family, girlfriend, or wife. Let's say now you need to collaborate with a drummer on Tuesdays for the home studio recording session work. Again, you'll click in there. Then select the guitarist collaboration calendar. You'll see the default guitarist collaboration calendar color. Let's make this a 2-hour event. Click save. And let's say here, we're having a mastering discussion with mastering engineer. Again, you will select the guitarist collaboration calendar. And now during our music production mixing work, we've got a mastering discussion with the mastering engineer. Uncheck this, you'll only see the collaborative items in the collaboration folder. Click Demo Guitarist, and now you can see how your main calendar ties in with your collaboration calendar. You see some open items here where you can add some new events or tasks. Today we learned how to use the basics to craft weekly schedules, combining our personal and collaboration calendars. The big takeaway? Using Google Calendar to manage your schedules and routines frees up the worrying from your mind to focus on being creative and getting things done. Drop a comment. How are you using Google Calendar? Thank you for watching. I hope this helps you immensely. If you liked the video, please subscribe, like, and comment, and hit the bell to get updates on future videos. To join our community, please click the link on the video description below. You'll get updates on future videos as well as cool, helpful bonus stuff. Have an awesome creative day.